Neat stuff, neat stuff.
Here's our next neat item, and this isn't actually even marketed for RVs, but it sure does work well.
All right, here's a problem that I just discovered. See, our inside refrigerators, they absolutely have catches and things like this, and we all know when we go down the road, it's like going with an earthquake. So when I opened this door yesterday, when I had my grandson out here, I found this. Now, all in all, this refrigerator is off except when I'm plugged into 50 amp. I plugged it into 50 amp last week when I came back here from Denton, and the refrigerator came on. Doors open. Now we see moisture has gotten in here and has started to delaminate the nice particle board that we have down here. So my repair is going to be pretty simple on this. I'm going to get just a baby latch, and I'm going to basically take it and I'm going to install it right here on the front of the door. Right here on the front of the door. So now you can see I've just put this little baby latch. This baby latch didn't cost nothing. It's very simple. Undo, this and that, whatever. Pop back. Now, hopefully, this will solve the problem.
Now, the only problem that I've experienced with it is that the grandkids, even though the youngest one's 8, they come over there and they say, "Pa, please open the door." So apparently it works. And it's been on the trailer for just about 1.25 years, and I've not had the problem with the door opening up at all. So all in all, I would rank it in the neat stuff category. We will see you next time.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
Turn on your post notifications.
Put the comments down below. Hit the subscribe button and you'll make me happy.